Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change your browser homepage, how to turn on or off your pop-up blocker, and how to set cookies. I'm going to do this on Internet Explorer, so let's open that up. So the page that opens up when I first open up Internet Explorer is Blackboard, which I like, but when I click on the home icon, then it takes me to the start page, which is just a bunch of news, which I actually just want to set as well as I want to set it to Blackboard, just like the opening page. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to go up here. Actually, let's go to Blackboard first. Let's get that URL. So I'll navigate my way to Blackboard. I'll cut the URL out of here, cut or copy, whichever you prefer. I'll go up here, and then I'll go down to settings. Then I'm in the general tab, so I will find set your home page. Right now it's set on the start page, which is the page with all the news that we just looked at. I want to have it as a specific page, so I'll click on a specific page, and then you will paste the URL of Blackboard and then make sure you save it. If you don't save it, then it won't work. So let's open up a new page. Right now this is the start page. It doesn't have the news, but this is the start page. So when I click the home icon after all those steps, it will take me right to Blackboard. So that is successful. The second thing I want to show you is how to turn on or off your pop-up blocker. So I'll go back to Internet Explorer, go back up here, and I'll click on Settings, and then I'll go to Privacy and Security, and then I'll scroll to the bottom. Right here it says Block Pop-ups. Right now it's set on On. You could turn it off, but I'm going to leave that on. And then the last thing I want to do is show you how to set your cookies. So again, go to Internet Explorer. Again, we're going to go up here, and again, we're going to click on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then right here it says Cookies. Right now I have it set on Don't Block Cookies. You can set on Block All Cookies. You can set on Block Only Third-Party Cookies. I'm going to leave that on Don't Block Cookies. So yeah, that's basically how to do those three things, and I hope you learned something, and as well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.